Still thinking about Ben?
Can't get it out, mate.
You've got to stop beating yourself up like this. You weren't responsible for what happened.
What was that?
It was an accident. Nothing you could have done.
I wish I could convince myself of that. I should have reported it.
And what difference would it have made? You said yourself it's a waste of time.
Well, maybe I was wrong. Some bloody idiots just taking out a bunch of cones in the taper. One of them nearly took Jay's head off.
Is everyone all right?
Yeah, Jay's putting things straight.
You going to report it then?
Is it worth it? Don't give me that look. All right, I'll do it. I want a brew first, though. It's friggin' freezing out there.
Oh, tell me about it. All right. I know we all think this near-miss reporting's a load of old bollocks, right? But if we don't report it, nothing's ever going to change, right?
Come on, then. Give me one example where we've reported a near miss and anything's come of it.
Yeah.
The other week, that Pratt nearly backed into us when we were leaving the yard.
Always said he was a tosser.
Yeah, but it turned out his reversing camera wasn't working.
Well, he should have picked that up on his daily check.
Yeah, that's not our problem, is it?
Yes, it is. Look, if we hadn't reported it as a near miss, who knows when he'd have bothered to get it fixed.
Still feels like we grassed him up.
Oh, what, and you'd rather take your chances out there, would you?
Yeah, but this is different. I mean, reporting a cone strike isn't going to stop it happening again, is it?
I don't know, there might be something that could be learned from it.
Fat chance.
You know, you can be a cynical git at times, Ted.
I'm just saying, you report it before you know where you are, health and safety will be snooping around asking bloody daft questions.
Right, you know.
Got a point.
No, he hasn't. All right, so we can sort some of these things out for ourselves, right? But I don't know, there's times when it takes someone with a bit more bloody know-how and clout than we've got.
I suppose reporting's just the only way of making sure other crews aren't caught out by the same things.
Exactly. So go on then, you're going to report it?
Yeah. God, you're worse than my mum sometimes.
But you didn't.
No. We were a bit pushed. I was going to, but by the time we knocked off, it didn't seem important.
Would it have made any difference?
I don't know. Maybe not to Ben. It might stop some other poor sod ending up the same way. Jay nearly gets his head bashed in. We treated it as a bloody joke. We learnt nothing.
You're being too hard on yourself.
My best mate's been mown down by some lunatic in a white van. What do you expect? Sorry, love. Sorry. I told him that I'd report it.
I still don't see what good it would have done. Wouldn't have stopped the van.
That's what the TM's for. If it's not working, management need to know. That's what Ben was trying to get through to us. We just didn't get it. It's not just about what happened to Ben. It's all the other times. We see things happen, but we turn a blind eye. Too much trouble. Don't want to get involved. What is it they say? Silence is consent.